Lab activity. Do we get an image with a concave mirror at the focus every time? Or describe an experiment to observe types of images and measure the object distance and image distance. Aim. Observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the mirror. Materials required: a candle, paper, concave mirror of known focal length, that is 30 centimeters, V-stand, measuring tape or meter scale. Procedure: place the concave mirror on V-stand, arrange a candle and meter scale as shown. Keep the candle at different distances from the mirror along the axis and by moving the paper or the screen. Find the position where you get the sharp image on paper. When we place the candle at 90 centimeters from the mirror, image formed at 45 centimeter, and we can observe images diminished, real and inverted. When we place the candle at 60 centimeter from the mirror, image formed at 60 centimeter, and we can observe images real, inverted and same size of the object. When we place the candle at 45 centimeters from the mirror, image formed at 90 centimeters, and we can observe the image is real, inverted and enlarged. When we place the candle at 30 centimeters from the mirror, we can't observe image on the screen. When we place the candle at 15 centimeters from the mirror, we can't observe the image on the screen, but in the mirror we see enlarged, virtual and erect image of the object. Group the observations based on object and image distances. Based on the focal point and center of curvature, we can reclassify our observations as shown in table 2. In this activity, for different positions of the candle, we can observe different types of images at various positions of the screen, that is, position of image depends on the position of object.